your training on customer service with supplementary material. This video provides a session on measuring customer satisfaction and Net Promoter Score. Get ready to absorb the critical elements of the topic in style and relevant detail. This PowerPoint presentation is packed with captivating visuals. Download this presentation from the provided link and gain access to an in-depth guide with even more sessions. It uncovers the significance of customer feedback through compelling data and real-world examples. You will explore proven techniques for gathering customer feedback and learn what works, such as website surveys, feedback widgets, embedded email, link surveys, mobile app surveys, and so on. To help you internalize the learnings, the session includes well-structured feedback summary templates and a key takeaway slide for quick glance at everything that adds immense power and value to efforts at measuring and using customer satisfaction. Hold on, we also offer a bonus. This slide deck doesn't just offer valuable education, it also comes with an exciting assignment to ramp up engagement and invigorate your customer support team. Level up your communication game with your team. Download this PPT template for impactful and engaging training sessions. Don't forget to boost your team's morale and give them the recognition they deserve. Award them a certificate of completion to celebrate their hard work and dedication. It's the ultimate motivator. Thank you for watching. Want access to more powerful training modules on issues that really impact the way you do business? Download the complete deck now and inspire your customer service team.